Hello everyone, welcome back. I really hope that all of you have wrote cat yesterday and it went really well. And now what you should do about the cat that you have written. With that I really don't know. One thing that you should not do is wasting your time on over-analyzing things, watching thousands of videos about what the percentile is gonna be, chatting in telegram groups. I wrote this, I missed this, I'm really feeling low about it. So stop all that. What is done. Nothing you can change about it, and there are many exams coming in front of us. So focus on that. There are many omits, and one of them is XGMT. In my channel, this channel is mainly about that. And I've been getting a lot of doubts recently about कि कितना what is the cutoff and like what is the cutoff for a particular category, particular gender, and also what is the number of questions that I need to do right in order to obtain that percentile. So if you're asking all these questions, it implies that you haven't gone through my previous videos that I have uploaded, because you see this XIMB calls are out. In this I have already talked about what were the cutoffs. Basically what is the percentile requirement for BM and HRM for every category for every exam. So you can go through that and check it. Also there were questions about the at what marks am I gonna receive that percentile. I have also discussed that previously. See, in this video I've already talked about what is the percentile that you're gonna get at what kind of marks. And for your information, every every question can have 3 marks is awarded for them. And basically for 97.19 percentile that you can see at top, you need 60 effective questions right. So I really hope that I have cleared all those doubts. Now coming to should I fill XGMT, so I will be like, why not? If you have an opportunity, why to miss it? So बिल्कुल आप fill कीजिए. कितनों ने तो पहले भी कर दिया होगा कैट के, जिनका मतलब एक ड्रीम कॉलेज होता है, पीपल फ्रॉम उड़ीसा, पीपल फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर, उन्होंने पहले ही अप्लाई कर दिया होगा. बट बहुत लोग must have been waiting for CAT exam to get over, and now it has happened. So you might be thinking of कहाँ पे switch किया जाए. Then just to inform you, the last date to fill this exam is 10th of December, and what I think that they might extend it to some extent, but again, why to go that far? We can fill it before that. So now while filling, you know that you have to select all the exams that you want to consider, and for every exam that you select that you want to be considered while shortlisting you for XIMB, in, you have to pay 400 rupees extra. So now the question might be arising in your mind, should I select CAT while filling my form? So basically at this point you really don't know what your score is going to be. So if you have not filled till now, so I have a small suggestion for you. Just wait for maybe 5th of December, right? At that point, we will be getting our CAT response sheet. From that, you will have a very fair idea about what the cutoff is going to be, where you stand in that cutoff line, and whether you are able to clear the respective scores with that or not. Alright, now there will be a certain amount of candidates who will be in this dilemma. Let me explain you what. That in CAT I have scored 90 percentile, 91, 92, 93. Well, I'm talking about open category right here. You can adjust according to your thing, right? So they will be like, I've already cleared it with CAT, but I know that because I will be writing XGMT, I will be getting better percentile. So what is the point in selecting CAT? So let me tell you all those candidates that you can see here the point here 96.63. This was my score and it is brilliant as far as XIMB is concerned. So but what happened that I was not able to clear the sectional cutoff of GK. Because of that I did not receive a BM call. Had I filled Had I received something around 90 percentile in CAT and had I selected it, I would have received a call for XIMB BM as well. Uh, although I received for XIMB HR and I got a 17 waiting list, had I paid the amount, the initial seat selection amount of 50,000, I would definitely have converted it. But I had different plans, so of course. So never miss out, never have that thing. 400 rupees is not such a big deal. If you're going for an MBA, then 20 lakh course, right? So you should fill that. And most probably in some time, whenever I come up with my next video, I will be forming a Telegram group where all of you can come and discuss. You don't have to come here in YouTube comments and always write stuff, right? So I hope all those doubts and areas are clear right now. Regarding form, I already told you, fill it after 5th of December once you have the response sheet in your hand of CAT, and you will know whether to select it or not. Right, because you've already waited for so long. Why to now? Why to be in a rush? Again, again, I am telling you that do not wait for the date to be extended or something like that. You never know. Also, there's a high chance that they will, but again, you should not wait like that. And any queries that you have, you can write in the comment section for the time being, and I will be there for with you for the entire journey. I will be giving the GMT myself, and I will be coming up with analysis whenever the admit card is out. All the process, there will be a video on this channel itself. So if you subscribe to it, you will get to know all those updates. And I am really peculiar about no bullshitting in this channel. So I really hope that it kind of helped you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. By multiplying